Each clip isn't just an incident, it's a lesson. This video has been created for educational purposes, featuring original text-based commentary to help you understand every moment more clearly.
Это почем мальчик будем считать?
Ну, ты ж не наглый такой, не едешь.
Что такое? Что такое?
Офигеть, бля.
Он ударил?
Тебя, да?
Fucking go! If you're gonna fucking go, go! Why are you breaking? I just hurt my fucking ankle really bad.
I would go down the street and feel like everyone who looked at me could see what I was going through. Like they were peering into my soul, seeing the rape and the doubts and the confusion. Like my eyes were these windows into the most tightly held secret of my life. I would dream of killing it, chopping his cock off.
Where are we? Oh my god.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Jesus Christ.
motherfucker! You god motherfucker! You motherfucker! God!
This is Matt Gates. I wanted to wish you a very special...
What are you doing? I don't have to move for you. Idiot. How fucking dumb do you have to be? Where's your fucking brake pedal? Huh? Where's your brake pedal? What, you think you're just gonna intimidate me off the road? Come on, cut me off. Hit me, motherfucker. Fuck you. I ain't intimidated. I ain't gonna fucking move an inch, bitch.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Fucking idiot!
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left. At the light, turn left onto H Street.
Go on, do it. I bet you'd enjoy it. F***ing me. I just gotta get a picture, sorry. Yeah.
All nation. Calibrated for new alt delivery. This is Mark from Blink 182.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Fucking idiot!
Coach of that swim team.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit!
Oh god.
We almost got into the accident in front of us.
Video protected.
How's this and everything going? Oh.
check your mirrors or what?
No, the taxi that broke in front of me and I was trying to get away from it.
I have a camera. Everything is on camera.
Are you calling 911?
Yeah. Here, let me see what's wrong with my truck.
What is he doing?
What a moron.
Could he not wait?
No, I can't wait.
It's basically a highlight.
Oh shit, Tay. Oh shit. Should I put my hat? Oh babe, I'm gonna cry. Do you gonna get out and help him?
I got tennis on, mate.
I don't know.
If you enjoy real footage and videos full of life lessons like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, let us know in the comments if something like this has ever happened to you.